If you're thinking about buying the Midea ice maker, you're probably wondering one thing. Is it actually worth it, or is it just another overhyped kitchen gadget? I decided to take a closer look. First, installation is pretty simple. If you're using the Midea countertop model, there's no complicated plumbing. Just place it on a flat surface. Keep some space around it for ventilation. Then clean the machine before using it. After that, fill the water tank. Just make sure you don't go above the max line. Now plug it in and press the power button. You can choose between small and large ice. According to Midea, the first batch can take around 6 to 8 minutes, depending on the room temperature and ice size. And honestly, that's pretty impressive. The machine makes bullet-shaped ice. It also has indicators for low water and a full ice basket. Some Midea models also include a self-cleaning function. But there are a few things I don't love. The ice basket isn't designed to keep ice frozen forever. So if you leave the ice sitting there, it can start melting. You'll need to transfer it if you want to store it longer. Also, don't expect every batch to look perfect immediately. Temperature can affect the ice-making process. So, is the Midea ice maker a scam? From what I found, no. It appears to be a legitimate countertop ice maker with straightforward controls and useful features. Would I recommend it? If you need ice quickly and don't want a complicated installation, it looks like a solid option. But if you already have a reliable freezer ice maker, it may not be necessary. Overall, I'd say the Midea ice maker is legit, not a scam. Just keep your expectations realistic.